Welcome to the lesson Weather Instruments. Exercise your answer. In today's activity, you will be exercising based on the answer you think is correct. Please make sure that you have on proper tennis shoes and that you have space to move around. Let's get started. What weather instrument is pictured? If you believe it's an anemometer, do 10 windmills. If you believe it's a thermometer, do 10 cross crawls. If you believe it's a rain gauge, do 10 crab kicks. You can pause the video, do the exercise, and then hit play when you're ready for the answer. The answer is rain gauge. A rain gauge is an instrument that's used by meteorologists to gather and measure the amount of liquid precipitation over an area in a predefined period of time. What weather instrument is pictured in this photo? If you think it's a hygrometer, do 10 squats. If you think it's an anemometer, do 10 cross crawls. If you think it's a rain gauge, do 10 toe touches. Pause the video and then hit play when you're ready for the answer. The answer is anemometer. An anemometer is a weather instrument that's used for measuring wind speed. What weather instrument shows the direction of the wind? If you think it is a barometer, do 10 scissor kicks. If you think it's a hygrometer, do 10 jump ropes. If you think it's a weather or wind vane, do 10 jumping jacks. Pause the video, do your exercise, and then click play when you're ready for the answer. The answer is C, weather or wind vane. This is what a typical wind vane looks like, but we can also see the direction of the wind when looking at a windsock. What weather instrument shows the air temperature? If you think it's a barometer, do 10 jump ropes. If you think it's a thermometer, do 20 scissor kicks. If you think it's an anemometer, do 10 arm circles. Pause the video and then hit play when you're ready to see the correct answer. The answer is a thermometer. Many thermometers look like this, some look like this, and a lot of us have home thermometers that look like this. What weather instrument measures air pressure? Do you think it's a barometer? If so, do 10 arm circles. If you think it is a thermometer, do 10 squats. If you think it's an anemometer, do 20 scissor kicks. Pause the video, and when you're ready, hit play. The answer is a barometer. A barometer is used in measuring the atmospheric pressure, and it's used especially in forecasting the weather and determining altitude. It looks like this. Let's move on. What weather instrument measures the amount of water vapor or humidity in the air? If you think it's an anemometer, do 10 windmills. If you think it's a hygrometer, do 15 jumping jacks. If you think it's a rain gauge, do 20 crab kicks. Pause the video and hit play when you're ready to see the answer. The answer is hygrometer. This is what a hygrometer looks like. It's an instrument used to measure the amount of water vapor in the air, soil, or confined spaces. Awesome, you're all done. Thank you for participating in this physically active weather instrument lesson. Hopefully you were able to get up and get active and still focus on some of your academics when it comes to weather instruments and science. Have a great day.